Hello everyone, and today I'm going to print the word hi on Python. So first I'm just going to put in my print symbol. Here we have it, and I think I'm going to do this with the dashes. So it's a bit more complicated with this, using the skills that I have learned. So I'm going to put in my dash here. I've already copied and pasted it. And I'll just quickly do this. And I'll just show a little time lapse of how I've done this, and I'll show you guys at the end the final product. So I have done the H, looking great, and now I'm just going to work on to the I. So here I've finished, I'll run it through. As you can see, it has the hi right there. Hope you guys like this sort of tutorial, and yeah, see you next video.